This three-digit number can build or ruin your financial life. It could decide whether you live in your own home or rent someone else's home for a long time. Okay, once you understand these 5 factors, you will have full control of your credit score. Wait till the end to get the bonus tip on how easily boost your credit score. Now let's build credit. In Canada, a credit score ranges from 300 to 900. Did you know credit scores are intended to help lenders and not consumers? It helps them make decisions on whether not to take a risk on consumers. So what are those risks they think? The risk might involve giving that person a loan. The question they may think, will borrower repay it? Or when offering a credit card, will they make timely payments? Or when approving apartment rental application, will they pay their rent on time? Lenders generally see those with credit score 680 and up are lower risk borrowers. Those with credit score below 680 may be less likely to qualify for better loan terms, including interest rate. Unfortunately, a credit score 574 or less are considered as bad credits. That means bank, lenders, landlords, and even some employers will consider the person is less financially responsible. Okay, these are the facts. Fact number 1. Performance history is the major portion of the credit score. It is 35% of your credit. Your record of paying bills says a lot about how responsible you are with your credit. To build credit, you have to pay your bills on time and every time. Not only your credit cards, but also gym membership, telephone bills, and other loan payments as well. If you're having trouble paying a bill, contact the lender immediately. Don't skip payments, even if you are disputing a bill. Fact number 2. The second biggest portion of the credit score is the amount you owe, which is 30% of the total score. Always keep your credit balance well below the limit. Generally keep the percentage lower than 30%. The score looks at the total amount owed on all accounts as well as how much you owe on different types of accounts. Fact number 3. Length of credit is 15% of the total score. The longer you have credit, the better the score is. The score considers both of the following: the age of your oldest account and the average age of all your accounts. Fact number 4. New credit is 10% of the total credit. Opening new accounts can lower your score, particularly if you apply for lots of credit in a short period and you don't have a long credit history. Each credit application could cost you about 5 points deduction. However, if you are shopping for a best rate like mortgage, the credit bureau knows that people will try to get multiple quotes and therefore consider this type of inquiries made within 14 days to be a single inquiry. Hey, before we go on, if you like what I share, please like the video and subscribe to my channel and push the notification bell to keep you posted on real estate and personal finance tips just like this every week. This way you won't miss it. Fact number 5. Type of credit you use is 10% of the total credit. To get the highest possible score, you need to have revolving debt like Visa, MasterCard, and installment debt like student loan and car loan. Bank cards are typically the better than store credit cards. Here comes the bonus tip. Don't close your paid off credit card. As I mentioned in the fact number 2, it helps to keep the total utilization of your credit lower. So therefore, don't cancel your paid off card. Since now that you know these 5 factors, you will have full control of your credit as well as you are able to maintain the better credit that you have. Now you have full control of your credit score.